In this video we'll be learning about namespaces. So name, also called identifier, is simply a name given to the objects. Everything in this Python is an object. Name is a way to access the underlying object. So for example, let's take a is equals 2. Okay, so here we assigned a is equals to 2. Here 2 is an object stored in memory and a is the name we associate it with. So let's print the id of a. Okay, so id of a, and then let's print id a. So you can see here it is giving the memory location. Similarly, if we print, let's copy it and we will put in place of a as 2. Here also I put 2. So you can see the same thing is the output. So now let's put some different values. A is equals a plus 1, and then let's print the value of a. So you can see the value is different. Similarly, we take b is equals 2 and let's print the id of b. id of b. Okay, so you can see here the id of b is the same as the id of a because the value is 2. So now let's define a function. Let's say printHello, and then we print hello, and then we assign a is equals printHello, and now let's print like this. So you can see it is saying hello. The same a can also be referred as a function, and we can call the function using this name. So now we'll see the scope of variable. So let's make a function. So here I am going to define a function, outer function, and here I am going to define a is equals 30, and then I am going to define a inner function. So here I am going to assign a as 60, and then we'll print the value of a is equals, and then a, and then we call the inner function. Now we print the value of a to see what's the value of a here. So let's run it. So we have to call the function first. So a is equals 90, and then I call the outer function, and then let's print the value of a. So you can see here the value of a is 60, 30 and 90. So in this program, these three variables a are defined in separate namespaces and accessed accordingly. So let's make a keyword global and see what the output is. So let me put some enter so that you can see clearly what I am typing. So here I am going to define outer function, and then I will put a global keyword, global a, and then define a is equals to 30. Now I am going to define another function, inner function. Okay, and then here also I am going to put global a, and then a is equals to 60. And now let's print the value of a, and then we call the inner function. Okay, and here I am going to again print the value of a is equals, and then a, and now finally I am going to put the value of a as 90, and let's call the outer function, and then we'll print the value of a, and then a. Okay, so when we'll see the output, you see all the values are 60. So here all references and assignments are to the global A due to the use of key global